So to get Crystal Disk info, you can either Google it or use the link I have in the description to get to the official website. You're going to want to use this most left download link, and then you're going to want to wait for this timer. Be just a little careful and pay attention. Sometimes it'll try and throw some ads that will pretend to be a download link. Just close out of them. And then you'll just want to save it to wherever. I'll just save mine to the desktop. I've already saved this. Replace it. It downloads a .exe. So then you'll want to navigate to your desktop, where you'll find the .exe that you just downloaded, and you'll run this. Now I've already got it installed, so I'm not going to go through finishing this setup, but you finish this setup and you will have the program. Here we have the window in its entirety. This is it. It gives you a ton of information about the drives that are connected and are recognized. So I have a little drive that does get a little heated up, but it's still right. It's not causing any critical issues, so this is still okay for me. So it'll show all individual drives. So I have 2 separate drives here, and generally you can kind of just go off of what it says at the top here. If it's good, then you know it's probably pretty dang good. If, for example, it's not showing up at all, I would go double check all your connections, obviously. But if all of your connections are 100% good, and you know that it should be showing up and it's not, that's a sign that the hard drive is bad. The other examples are, there will be, instead of a good blue dot, it'll be yellow and it will say caution or something along those lines. That means that something is going wrong with the drive. At that point, you would probably just want to replace it. It may not be critical yet, but it also very well could be. Just depends on the device and how bad it is. I have yet to see anything other than those 2 personally. So that's what Crystal Disk Info is. That's how I use it, and hopefully that's helpful in any which way that it can be.